Hi, I would like to share about registered energy manager, especially on the external registered energy manager or external RAM, who can be appointed by energy consumers for up to 3 years. Coming from my experience taking care of over 30 installations during my time as a registered energy manager, for this EECA 2024, I decided not to offer any service for external RAM, even though I have a quite extensive experience taking care of over 30 installation last time, and also helping them to develop energy management system as well, which is not a requirement that time, now become a requirement. When I said I no longer offering the service, it's not because something that it cannot be done, but I have a few tips. On whoever interested to become external RAM in particular. Just to share, it's not about teaching you, all of you, but more on sharing my experience. It can be done. It can be very effective as well. In fact, I did share some of my concern last time in my previous video about the importance of proper communications. Because not often the problem that I faced last time more on the communication in getting the data, getting information. Everyone understand what actually the role of the RAM and all that. But if you overcome that communication issue, I think this will be very good. But I have a few tips to share. Okay, the number one, basically, the role of the RAM. Okay, is not clearly outlined exactly the activity. More on the brief. If you look at the guideline on functional duties of RAM, I got listed under section 3, listed I think about 6 or 7 kind of key points. It did not specify actual activity. That's why if you are external RAM, you must clearly specify based on each requirement, what are those activities that you want to perform. Clearly specify. Because to perform that listed activities in the brief activities in the guideline, there are some other detailed activities to be performed. Some require a very clear role to be played by the personnel within the energy consumer, means that the in-house personnel. Therefore, RAM, I suggest you must clearly specify your actual activity that you perform, and activities that need to be performed by the internal personnel. For example, data collection. Data collection. You need to collect data on energy consumption. You need to collect the data, but you need to specify who's supposed to give you the data. So whoever keeping the data should be informed, should be made aware that they must give the data on what kind of frequency. Because data collection and analysis. Because RAM must collect, and analyze data. So RAM must specify what data the RAM require, and then who's supposed to give the data. Because without the guarantee of the data to be given consistently, the RAM cannot perform the duties, right? Something like that. So each activity, each role must be specified clearly in black and white. So I think all the requirement there, you must have activity, who perform what, something like that. This is where things must be made clear, very very clear. Otherwise, it will be an issue of when to perform the duties, the RAM cannot get the data. So that one thing. So specify clearly the activity and who's supposed to contributing to this to complete these activities. The one thing. Second one, the RAM must really know what kind of documents that he or she needs to keep. Bear in mind, because a lot of responsibility of the RAM, they don't have the full control on the decisions. The RAM can only propose. Most of the time, the RAM can only propose to the committee and then to advise, but RAM doesn't have the full authority to make decisions. So the RAM must have their own, documentation strategy. One about tasks to be performed, and one about all the communications with the all parties inside within the in-house parties, basically within the energy consumers organizations. Because this basically to make sure one because of everything must be documented for the purpose of legal compliance, for the purpose of checking. Another one, all communication between the RAM and all parties, involved parties in the energy consumers must be also properly documented, because that's the evidence that the RAM has performed the duties, financial duties. Just in case, because when you don't have the final say and things not done, you must have evidence, you have proposed, you have done your part, and you are not the one who decides on that particular item. So documentation strategy. It's very important for RAM document all their activities, all communication within themselves with the consumers internally. That number 2. Number 3, the RAM must be able to have a very so-called, I would say, a good relationship with all parties involved, especially I would say the Energy Management Committee members, because these are the key stakeholders. These are key stakeholders in ensuring the RAM can perform their function and duties accordingly. Because in the committee, RAM must have a very good relationship with the chairman. In fact, even the energy coordinator or person in charge representing the energy consumer, and key energy committee members such as normally facilities department, production department, and then procurement, HR, and all that, because these are key roles, key members in the energy management committee, that will help a lot, that will the RAM need their so-called contributions, they play their roles in order for the RAM to perform the duties accordingly. That's three tips I want to share. It can be done. It can be done, and it can be effective for up to 3 years. Even can be earlier. Because last time, when I was the RIM, Sales Executive Manager, my contract only for 2 years. After 2 years, normally if once I have managed to develop the energy management system for them, together with the assigned personnel within the organization, normally I can hand over the task to that person in charge. This can be done properly somehow. So that's basically, it's not that it cannot be done. Even though I am no longer interested to offer the external RAM service, but simply because I think I can do much better when I provide just support services, so that I can help consumers for the training, for the activities that require under the law, helping more companies to develop and implement their energy management system. Even I can mentor their in-house or whatever RAM they are appointed to be involved in the developing and implementing the energy management system. In fact, I can have that's a kind of a free of charge mentoring program, because at the end of the day, the RAM won't be there forever, external RAM. So the internal personnel must be able to take over the role, and then subsequently to continue and improve the system. Because if you're just looking about legal compliance, it's nothing much you can achieve. But if you make sure the RAM can ensure the consumer effectively managing the energy resource, through a systematic way, that will give much more benefit beyond just legal compliance. So that's my 3 tips, for RAM in performing the function duties as RAM under the ECA 2024. I hope we can see you again in the next video.